Hi, this is Alina with Heirloom Roses, and today I am going to show you how to sanitize your pruners. The best solution to use for sanitizing your pruners is common household bleach. The reason bleach is better than any other chemical is because not only does it kill bacteria and fungus like alcohol, but it also kills plant viruses. This is very important because as you will be cutting plants, you could easily be transferring diseases and viruses from one plant to another. You want to start with a 30-second soak in bleach. After your soak, you remove your pruners from the bleach and then give them a quick rinse in water. It's important to rinse off the bleach solution because direct contact between your plant tissue and the bleach can cause significant damage. It is also important to repeat the sanitation process between different plants, especially between different species. Even within the same species, if you will be cutting different varieties, it is highly recommended that you sanitize your pruners between each plant. Now you know how to sanitize your pruners, and you are off to a successful growing season.